Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm just going to pick up on the last video that I did on the carbon clean. It was a while ago. I'm in a 430 diesel. It's done 79,000 miles. It's never had a carbon clean. So we're going to actually test it today and see what difference it actually makes. As usual, the first test we're going to do, the completely unrealistic test, but it is consistent. So 60 miles an hour, 10 miles stretch, take the average MPG. We'll start off with that and let's see what we get. Hi guys, so that's the MPG test done. It's averaged 69.2. So we're gonna go back, give it a clean, and then we'll redo this test as well and see what it comes out at. See if it's actually made a difference. Right guys, don't laugh. I've basically got an emissions tester from MOT station, yeah? It's all been calibrated. So we're gonna, before we start the clean, we're gonna put this on there. It's like I said earlier, it's a 430 diesel. It's 6 cylinders, it's gonna take us about an hour and a half. And I'm gonna show you guys where we're gonna inject the carbon clean. Because it's a diesel, I've also got this smoke meter as well. So this will just test the smoke particles that comes out before and after. So hopefully we can answer that question. Does it work? Does it not work? I think it does work because I've felt differences in the cars that have been done, but this will actually be able to prove it. Alright guys, I've got the machine set up like in the last video, and in terms of that probe, ideally you want to put it in after, you know, any kind of airflow meter or anything like this. It won't really make a big difference. But you need to find somewhere, like here it's not really going to be suitable because it's solid plastic and you don't want the hydrogen leaking out. But this, I've put it right in there and then kind of closes up as well, so it's nice and airtight. So yeah, this car, 6 cylinder, 3 litres, so it's probably going to take about an hour and a half with this machine, yeah? Guys, so what you want to do is really give it a rev every about 10 minutes, just to make sure it's kind of all going through and stuff. So like I said, this is going to take about 90 minutes. Right guys, sorry it's a bit dark, it's starting to lose the light now. I've used the machine, I've got the receipts and things here as well. So the first time, and I'll put this up on the screen so it's a bit easier. So the first time we did it a couple of hours ago, 0.19 was the measurement of soot coming out the back, and after the clean it's gone to 0.08. So it appears that it has had some sort of impact. We're going to go for the MPG run now, and then I'll make it really nice and easy and put it up on the screen with the miles per gallon, the results of this, and see has it had an impact. The car does appear to sound quieter. I can hear the turbo a bit better as well. So, you know, it does appear that it has made some difference, but this is a good way of actually measuring it. So yeah, see you guys in a bit. So that's done. MPG wise, there was a really small improvement. So the thing is, I apologise for the footage. This camera kept overheating, so I had to then hold it by hand. So we've definitely seen a really good improvement in the amount of smoke coming out the back of the car. So that's been reduced. and a really small MPG. Even if you don't count the MPG, you can definitely tell from the emissions that it does have an effect. So yeah, it's good to know that it does work. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to like the video if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and share with friends and family.